What is window film? Madico U has the answer. Window film, also known as window tint, is a polyester film generally made of PET, polyethylene terephthalate, the same polymer used to manufacture water bottles, for example. Most films are applied to the interior surface of a glass window in a home, commercial building, or car with an adhesive, and have a scratch-resistant coating on the outer surface to protect the film. So basically, window film is comprised of three components: coatings with adhesives, the polymer film, and outer protective coating. There are many types of window films. Some are tinted with metals, dyes, or pigments to reduce the visible light transmitted through the glass and block heat coming through from the sun. Others are clear and feature multiple layers of PET to offer protection from shattering glass. There are even decorative window films that can replicate the look of frosted glass or etched patterns. Window films by Madico cover a broad spectrum of solutions, from comfort and security to health benefits and aesthetics. There's a film available to fit each person's or building's unique desires and requirements.